All of you take out your copy and pencil. Yesterday I completed up to fraction part, that is up to 43. Okay. Today I'll start from 44. Before that, all of you write CW and date. Okay. Write CW and the date. 4th May 21. Okay, write the date and CW first, all of you. Okay. Now today we'll start from 44. In your copy, okay, in your copy, not in book. In your copy. Acha, now look, the first one, I'm just covering the all the answers. Look at this, it is already in the book, but you have to write the whole statement, all the statement you have to write in your copy. Look at this, the first one. You are writing in copy, to just shake your head. Yes, to okay, okay, okay. Sneet Manna, take out your copy. Where is your copy? Just show me your copy. Okay. Acha, look. The first question 44A is given. There are dash vertices in a square. Acha, look at the screen. Suppose this is a square. Okay. So in the square, how many vertices are there? Look, in the last class I told you that vertices means when two sides meet at a certain point. Suppose these are two sides or two lines, they are meeting at a certain point. Look, this is called vertex. This is called vertex. Okay. Now the same thing will look for this square. Look, these are the line or sides of the square. Now this line and this line, these two sides meet at this point. Suppose I am giving the name A. Again, these two lines meet at this point. I am giving the name B. Achha, this line and this line meet at this point, giving the name C, and this one D. That means how many vertices are there? 4 na? Look, A, B, C and D. 4 to. If you have understood, then just shake your heads if yes. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Now just write 4. Write the answer 4 vertices. Again, I am clearing. Okay. Look at this. Number A. The answer is 4 vertices are there. Okay, write this fast. Completed. Completed. Write fast. Now the next. Write the whole statement. Okay, there are 4 vertices in a square. Complete it. Now number B. A cube has dash faces. At first complete the statement, then I will make you understand. A cube has dash faces. What does face mean? Suppose in a dice, or you can look at your pencil box. Okay, pencil box, just you can count the face. Okay, look, if I am drawing your pencil box, look at this one is the pencil box. Look, now how many faces are there? Look, this one, this upper part is one face, this lower part is one face. Okay, they both the sides, look, this is a face, this side is also a face, and the front face, and the back one. Again, I am drawing. Look at this. I am drawing this. Suppose your pencil box is this, huh? Basically, cube and cuboid. I am drawing the cuboid, but cube means also all the sides are equal. Okay, just look like dice. Okay, acha, cuboid means matchbox, pencil box. Okay, like this I am drawing. Look, now I am coloring. Going to color. Okay, suppose the upper one. Look, this is the upper one I am coloring. One face. Okay, now for the lower one. Look, this is the lower one. Two, upper and lower. Two, suppose the room where you are sitting. Okay, look at the room. Look, the floor, the roof. Two face. Yes, to shake your heads if yes. Okay, Prakriti. Okay, huh. Roof, the roof and the floor. And around you, there are four walls. Na? Just look at your room. Four walls. That four walls are also four face. Look. This one is one wall, this wall, and these are one more wall. Yes. Now look at this. The back side and the front size. Look, you can check the room where you are sitting. The front side, the back side, okay, the left side and the right side. There are four walls. Yes or no? Aratika, read. Yes, no. Four walls and also the roof above the head and also the floor where you stand usually. The floor. Yes, so four, six faces are there. Clear? Now just write the answer. Okay. A cube has six faces. Write the answer first. A and B. Done. Now number C. Look. A sphere has already, yesterday I explained sphere. Look, that means football. Okay. In football, how many surfaces are there? If you take the football, okay, or suppose watermelon, okay, orange, look, we can just touch it only one time, only one surface is there. Na? There is no line, no cut section. Yes, so suppose pencil box, you can touch it in six way. For front one, back one, upper one, lower one, left one, right one. Yes, but suppose in case of football or watermelon or orange, only in one part you can touch, na? Not there is so cut part. Yes, so that is only one surface is over there, right? One surface. Completed. Completed. Now I am coming number D. Number D is what? R dash has no vertex. Such a no vertex means if there is no straight line, then there is no vertex, because where two straight line meet, that is the vertex. So yes, yes, so where two lines meets, that is the vertex. If yes, then just shake your heads. Sharanna, if yes, so acha, okay. That means for a circle or for a sphere, suppose this one is a sphere. Is there any straight line? It is football. Suppose football, a round shape, na? Round shape. That means there is no side. In the same way, suppose for a circle, it is also a round shape, na? For rectangle, square, there is a line, na? But for in case of circle, sphere, round shape, so is there any line? No, na? That means there is no vertex. No vertex. Okay. Now just A completed, B completed, write C and D. A sphere or a circle has no vertex. Okay. Just note it down. Write fast. Completed? Minerva completed? Good. EF also completed? EF? Yes or no? No. Acha, okay. Now look, there are how many sides in a triangle? 3 sides. Look, triangle means this top. How many sides? One side, first, two, this one, second side, and this one is the third. 3. So 3 sides are there. Write 3 sides over there. Achha, and a cone. Cone means what? Cone means yesterday already I told that ice cream. Okay. Look at this. Now this one is a cone. Achha, I told vertex means two straight line meet at a point. Look here, the two lines are this for this cone. They meet at this, na? So this is the vertex. Only one vertex is over there. Write this. Note it down. First. Acha, Rizkin, Adil, Priyam Malik, turn on your video and say, is it clear to you or not? Okay, clear, good. Priyam Malik, good. Rizkin Hossain, Deepayan Haldar. Turn on your video and say clear or not. Adil, clear to? Okay, good. Tafim Jania, Deepayan, clear? Ha, good. Okay. Taskin Alam, Prashmita, Adrika. Okay, Shampurna and Sharanya, clear? Good. Okay, Shaptaparna. Acha, I am not going to mention all the names. Just all of you, if clear, then show me your hands in front of the camera. If 44 question up to this clear, then show me your hands in front of the camera. Okay, good. Okay, those who have not completed, good, Aryan Mullah. Write it first. Those who have not completed, write it first. Okay. Write it first. All of you completed Aninde and Avinaba? Completed. Okay, then I am moving for the next one. Sneet Manna, why are you doing in book? I told you to do in copy, na? Acha, other students are doing in copy to? Adrija Mukherjee, Arhad Islam doing in copy? Okay. I am moving for the next question. Sneet Manna, next day you will do in copy, okay? Number 45. Look, 45. Just mark 45. You have to do it in copy, okay? Not in book. Sneet Manna, now just take out your copy and pencil and do it in copy. Solve all the sum in copy. Okay. Sneet, exercise book. Khata, okay? Clear to? Okay. Acha, now just look at this number A. This one is clear to all of you though. Just write, acha, put the unit also. Okay, you have to put the unit. I am just covering the answers. Do it fast. Write it in your copy. All of you in the copy. Not in book. Not in book. Okay. Are you writing? Adrija Mukherjee writing? Okay. Good. Very good. Aninda Avinava, write fast. Aryan Molla, Reed Chakraborty, Tanvir Islam. Aratrika, write fast. Acha, one more thing, if it is not clear, if the screen is not clear to you because due to network problem, it may be hazy, okay? Then the questions are also in the book, okay? You can write the question from your book also, or you can take the help of the screen also, okay? Number 45, I am just telling the page number is 13. Page number 13, you can write the question from your book also. Look, now just normal addition. Huh? 4 twos are 4 twos are 6. Okay, now 3 plus 7, this is 10. 106 and put this meter unit, meter. Okay. The answer is 106 for the first one. Number B. Okay. I'm coming number B. Acha, now this is carry forwarding borrowing subtraction. Look, as the 4 is less than 9, 4 is less than 9, so we will make it large. Borrow 110 from 5. So this 5 will become 4. Yes. Now from 9 we have to count till 14. From 9 we have to count till 14. Okay. This is subtraction. After 9, start to count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5 will be there. Okay. Clear though? Now from 1 we have to count till 4. Okay. From 1 we have to count till 4. Why this 5 become 4? Because already we have taken 1 from that side, na? From that right side. We have borrowed. That's why we need to balance it. Already I explained this type of sum. Now complete it fast. Number B, 45B. I need to write the answer. I'll write. Okay, after 1, just count 2, 3, 4. It will be 3. I am writing also the answer. 35. Okay. Now the next one. Number C, complete it fast. After completing up to J, I will unmute all of you. If there is any doubt, you will say, huh? Okay. Number C. Look again this one. I am doing the subtraction over there. Huh? 912, 17. Look, this 2 is less than 7. So we have to make this large. It will be 12. We will borrow 1 from this digit. Now this will become 0. Na? Okay, now just count at first. From 7, after 7 till 12. Okay. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It will be 5, right? Okay, I'm just writing 5 over there. Okay, we have borrowed. Acha, again, 0 is less than 1. Na? Okay, so again we have to make this large. We will take 1 and this 9 will become 8. So it has become right now 10. From 1 we will count again up to 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will be 9. Okay, and this 8 will be there. 895. Done. So the answer of C is 895. Acha, put the meter, this unit also. Okay. Put the unit also. Up to this completed. See? Yes. Okay, okay, okay. Tanvir Islam, are you doing? I'll see all the copy. I'll check all the copy. Huh? Not now. At first complete up to J then. Not now, Tanvir. At first complete up to J. Acha, number C done. Number D now. It is normal addition. Okay. Look, 5 plus 7, 12. 2. 1 carried over there. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. Then 5 plus 2, 7. 742 gram. Put the unit also. Gram. A, B, C, D done to. I'm just clearing the board. Complete A, B, C and D. Check the answer. Okay. Check the answer. Next you will do E, F, G, H-I-J. Acha, show me your hands if you have completed up to D. Up to D, okay. Aratrika completed, Harit, Aryan Mullah also completed, Aninda Avinab also, Shoptaparna, have you completed up to D? Okay, good. Okay, Sharanna, good. Shampurna, have you completed up to Shampurna and Adrika Khandra? Okay, good. Good. Meherin Haq, Prashmita, Minerva. Meherin, Minerva, Prashmita. Okay, Prakriti, good. Tafim Jani, Arnob Bhuya, Arnob. Why are you eating the headphone? Arnob? Acha, Tanvir Islam completed? Okay, good. So I am moving the screen, okay? Okay. Deepayan Adil, you have not started the video, so I can't understand. Okay. Now I am moving for the next one, Look, up to D to completed. Okay, E and F. Look at this, E. Just normal addition. Both are normal addition. Do it yourself. Even I am not going to do this. 6 plus 0, 6. You can easily write 1 plus 0, 1. And 5 plus 2, 7. It is very much easy. Okay. Now the next one also. 9 plus 7. Just count it. 16. 6 will be there. 1 is carried over there. Then 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1. 5. Just write 5 over there. Then this 4 will come. 456. E and F completed. EF completed. Just shake your head if yes. Okay. Sharanya, EF completed. Sharanya, EF completed. EF. Okay, good. Write fast. Or no, what are you writing? Just show me your copy or no? Or no? Show me your copy. Chandrima Ghosh. GHIJ. GHIJ. Normal subtraction, okay. Borrowing subtraction. These two we have to consider as 12. Then from 8 you have to count till 12. That means will not include 8 but after 8. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 will be there. As we have borrowed, so these 2 will become 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. Then this one 6. Look at the answer. Look at the answer G. Then H. It is also normal subtraction. Even this one is not borrowing subtraction, normal subtraction. Just count after 5 till 8, then after 1 till 8, then after 3 till 4. Do it fast. Completed? GH completed? Yes or no? No, okay, I am waiting, Chandrima Ghosh, writing? Okay. Complete G, H. First. Then I and J, okay? Write fast. Look, I is normal addition, okay? Just do it yourself. I am just covering the answer. Acha, now also for J I am covering the answer, but it is also normal subtraction, borrowing subtraction not. Look, just 0 is over there, it will be 2, it will be 3, and from 3, after 3 just count till 5, 4, 5, 2, it is 232. Put the unit, huh? I am saying you for 2 or 3 times, put the unit, okay? Don't forget to put this unit, gram, here look liter, okay? Because if you don't put the unit, maybe 1 marks deducted, okay? Maybe 1 marks deduction. Even I'll deduct the marks if I check the copy, okay? So put the unit. Sampurna Samanto done up to J. Sampurna. Acha, I'm clearing it. Just write the answer I and J. Okay. I, J, K, L, M. Acha, look. I am covering these answers. First, I, J up to J completed now. K, look at K. Here is a little bit different. The units, there are two types of unit, one meter and another centimeter. Yes. So just don't worry. No need to just avoid the unit. No need to get tense. Look, centimeter will just solve this. The centimeter part will add them, which will be carry forward. That will go at meter place. Okay. Then we'll just normally do the addition. Okay. At first do the addition of centimeter part. Okay. In normal process, which portion will be carry forward, that will go at meters place. Okay. Then normal addition of meter portion. Clear? Is it clear to all of you? Okay. Okay, Prakriti, clear to? Now just look at this. Acha. Normal 6 plus 2, it will be 8. Then 9 plus 5. Look, 14. 14. 9 plus 5 is 14. Now we will take this 4 and 1 will be carry forward. So this 1 will go over there. Look. Okay. Now 7 plus, it will go in place of meter. Okay. 7 plus 5, 12. Plus this one, 13. 13. We'll put this 3 over there. Okay. And 1 again carry forward. Okay. Now 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. Clear to? Now just you will put the sign. Okay. Already above you have written meter and centimeter. So if you don't put over there, no problem. But if you don't put it here, then you have to put over there meter, centimeter. Okay. Now I am clearing the board. Just check it. Just check it. Also, the same thing will be there in case of subtraction. Okay. You will do the same thing in case of subtraction. Okay. Look, normal. Already 5 here and 5 minus 6 minus 5 from 5. Just count up to 6. It will be 1. Okay. Then 1 minus 1, 0. Acha. Here 4, it is 12. Just consider this. Acha, it is 2. Sorry. Consider these 2 as 12. Then count after 4. Start to count after 4 until 12. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It will be 8. Okay. We have borrowed 1. So this 9 will become 8. Okay. Now 8 minus 7, that is 1. Okay. Now this 5 will remain as it is. And 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. Just complete it. I am clearing the board. Complete it fast. Completed up to L? Yes or no? Or no, write fast. Or no, Bhuya, I'll check your copy. Okay. Write fast. Write fast. Acha, M and N also. M and N. This is also normal addition. Okay, I'm not going to help in this addition. Acha, this one is also addition. Carry forwarding addition. Do it fast. Adrija completed. M and N. Good, good, good. Tafim, Jania, Priya Malik. M and N complete. Okay. Arad Islam doing M and N. M and N you are doing to okay. Taskin, is there any doubt? Taskin? Now I will unmute all of you. At first complete M and N. First, look, normal addition. 4 plus 5, 9. Okay. 9 plus 5, 14. 1 is carried over there. Now 9 plus 3, 12 plus 1, 13. 1 is carried over there. Okay. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15. 1 carried over there. 3 plus 1 plus 1, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. Now the next one. Just write the answer. It is also carry forward in subtraction. 8 plus 7. Look, 8 plus 7. 15. 1 carried over there. 8 plus 2. 10 plus 1. 11. 1 carried over there. 6 plus 1. 7 plus 1. 8. Okay. Now just this side addition. 7 plus 5. 12. 1 carried over there. 2 plus 1 plus 1. 4. Now 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, I'm just clearing. Write the answer first. Completed. Completed all of you. If you have completed, show me your hands in front of the camera. Show me your hands in front of the camera. Taskin, Sherin Shaiba completed. I'm just waiting. Okay. Okay, I'm waiting. Ohornish Mitra. Ohornish Mitra completed. No, acha, I'm waiting. Write fast. Write fast. Shahzad Al Habib. Shahzad completed. Okay, good. Acha, is there any doubt? Farid Khatun, any doubt? No, ma'am. Okay, good. Or no, what are you doing? Show me your copy or no? Completed, then show me your copy. All of you, show me your copy first. Show me your copy. Now I am going to unmute all of you and you will show me your copy, okay?